It's Sean from Hifonics. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Hifonics Store 1000 watt Stage 5 razor tuned audio package. Everything that you see here on the table is included with this package. First up, you're getting a controller. This controller has an AM/FM Bluetooth source unit, Apple control, and a razor DIN mounting adapter. In terms of power and speakers, you're going to be getting two amplifiers. First up, a 500 watt 2-channel amplifier, and this is going to be powering 8-inch compression horn speakers in the front and the rear. Next up, you're going to get a 500 watt mono amplifier, and this is going to be powering your 10-inch Titan subwoofer. So let's go over the engineering and the fitment. We've worked really hard to get everything that you see here on the table perfectly fit for your razor. First up, we have our kick panels. They're waterproof and maximize the depth in the footwell, so you'll have plenty of room while riding. Next up, we have our sub enclosure. It's very compact and fits right in the glove box of your system. It's vented or ported, which means you're going to get a lot of volume and super low bass. We've also included a harness, and this is a dual amplifier harness. Everything is going to be plug and play. That means your source unit, amps, speakers, radio, and the whole vehicle electrical system is going to be integrated. Lastly, let's go over some of the accessories that we have included. We got diaphragm covers for your front speakers that will allow them to mount easy into the kick panels. We also have a dual input accessory. This is going to replace the 12-volt accessory. It comes with a USB charging port and a 3.5mm jack. Also, we have included swivel brackets, and this is going to allow you to mount your pods in the back and choose the right mounting angle. Let's talk about the time for this installation. It's going to take you roughly 3 to 4 hours to fully complete this install. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We're really looking forward to all the comments. I can't wait to hear these things out on the trails. Make sure to tag us on social media, #Hifonics and #PowerFromTheGods.